today we got a package from, can you see it? RUNAVILLE, who I'm sponsored by. Looks like the packaging got a little crushed in the transport, but kind of creepy and cryptic. I like it. What do we got here? Oh shit, so this isn't the one I bought. This is actually my sponsor deck. I thought for sure that this was gonna be the one I purchased, but no. This is even cooler. I just bought some wheels yesterday and I would have bought some different ones if I knew it was this one. But that's fine, this is one of my favorite graphics by him. There's just so much going on. It's weird. It's full. It's pretty sick. Maybe I should get it in some better lighting. Yes, sir. RUNAVILLE, baby. That's my dog. Oh. Anyways, that's all I got. I'm gonna get this set up. So I was thinking about it, and I didn't even take it out of the plastic on video, so I'll finish doing that. Get my light over here. The classic American diner lady. So all said and done, this is the deck. It's got super sick black plies in there. Put in the Black River bushings with the black pivot cups just to keep it, you know, matchy. And then the black cat grip, which, by the way, using sandpaper to grip is actually like way nicer than using a knife, or like normally I'll use the back of scissors, but like the grip is way better. So another dope deck added to my collection.